If you're ready to take your stone setting up a notch, join us for this brand new intermediate course on how to make a double gallery claw setting. Taught by goldsmith and professional stone setter Scott McIntyre, you'll be guided through how to create your first double gallery setting by dividing up your tube or collet, piercing out the middle, soldering on your 4 claws and setting the stone. This is a great follow-on class from the claw setting course and the collet setting course, and learning this classic and traditional technique will allow you to create endless designs using claw settings. When you sign up, you'll get lifetime access to the course along with downloadable course notes and our supportive Facebook community in which to learn from. For more info and to enroll now, click on the link or visit jewellersacademy.com/stone setting. We can't wait to see what you make.